What's up, Traders Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option. Today, I'm talking about the massive market turnaround. We're going to take a look at the volatility index, bonds. We're going to talk about the Russell 2000. I'm also going to take a look at Meta and Microsoft earnings after the bell, and we'll preview Apple and Amazon. So with that, let's dig in. Traders, I want to remind you, there's still time to sign up for my masterclass. I think I have one slot left. Click the link here, or you can give my team a call, 888-872-3301, and join us. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like, subscribe, leave a question or comment, and it will be answered. So, what a day for the SPX. Over the course of the day, we went from down over 120 points, threatening to break back below 5,400, to closing almost above 5,570. Just a massive range. The low was 5,433. The high was 5,481, 140-point range. Obviously below where we were back in here, but our biggest day since the 24th, and our biggest kind of like full-on turnaround day where we turn green since the 9th. Maybe the 7th you could argue, but pretty crazy. Now, why did we do that? Well, one, rumors around a China deal, although you didn't see the China stuff really hit, and we had some, we had pretty good strength in the bond market. Down a little bit, but we've had a really nice run. And VIX, which initially really blew higher, was over 28, end of the day back below 25. That futures term structure that we're paying close attention to, June and July are on top of each other, and the spread between the cash and that future is now less than a point. We're getting really close to wanting to buy puts in UVXY or UVIX or VXX. Very interesting. Really interesting trading day, to say the least, on that respect. The name I continue to like from the index side that has not really taken off yet, but I think is primed to, is the Russell 2000. I'm looking for it to potentially make that big run Thursday and Friday as the news kind of hits the market. And what is this news? Meta and Microsoft. Meta reported great earnings. It's up $28 after the bell. Just a massive move in Meta, and just as good of a move, Microsoft. It's up 6%. Market was pricing at about a 4% move. Meta is up about 5%. The market was pricing in close to 7%. So Meta moving a little bit less, but up. And Microsoft moving a little bit more than we were expecting, and nicely higher. So just a really strong move out of Microsoft. We like the way that this one set up, and looks like it's going to make a pretty nice move higher starting tomorrow. So what does this mean for the indexes? Well, SPY after hours is up about $1, and the Qs, which closed the day slightly red, are up like $5 from the close. So expect to see some strength out of the triple Q. Another fun play for tomorrow, if we do get ahead of steam, might be to go out and pick up some of these TQQ calls. We could see TQQ make a serious run at $60 on Thursday. So for Thursday, we still do have a lot of economic reports, a lot of information hitting the markets, but I think this Microsoft news and potential China deal is going to move us over 5,600. SPX is basically at its 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is going to be 5,600 tomorrow. It's trading 5,570. I think we're going to see that 50-day moving average on Thursday, and then we'll be making some decisions. So this is, we break that 50-day, that's probably where I'm going to start taking off some of my longs that I set up back on the 7th. That is my plan. All right, everybody. So there you have it. Microsoft good, Meta good, massive turnaround, and I still like long calls in IWM. I also might look at calls in TQQ. All right, folks, once again, still time to join my masterclass. You get this free special post-earnings special situation trade with it. You can click this link to join or give my team a call, 888-872-3301. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Have a good one.